who are not only passionate about the club, but also want to keep the club and maintain the culture and the character of the club. That's why there's not much of commercialization in this club compared to some of the other golf clubs in the country or in the world. So I hope that this initiative of theirs and this tournament will be a grand success. And this tournament wouldn't have been possible without the 16 gentlemen who are sitting here. Because for any tournament to be successful, I think the founder members, which is the club members and the management of the club, but along with them, all of you play a very important part, because owning a club shows that you're committed to this tournament and you've got the conviction that this tournament will be a grand success. It's not only about making money, but it's about spreading the word of the sport. And as Charu mentioned, a lot of us, including the great Tendulkar, is crazy about this sport, and one of the reasons why we take it little late is being a professional sports person, we always want to be the best. And sometimes you can get addicted. Some of my friends are addicted to the sport. And to get better, always striving to be the best, striving to achieve excellence, which is very difficult to achieve on a golf course, I've told. You sort of dedicate your entire time and energy in playing the game. And that's what all of you are doing. While I don't know the majority of you here, but I know Dr. Vijayanand, who's an eminent doctor here. I'm sure he's got a busy practice, but still he's here and showing the conviction of owning the team. That means how much passionate he's about the game. And I'm sure all of you are busy people in your respective profession, but you love the sport, you're passionate about the sport. So I hope all of you will continue to support this sport, will continue to support this tournament, and this is just a start. I'm sure that this tournament will be a grand success. A lot of young golfers will take up this sport and be part of this wonderful club, because this is just an unbelievable environment, atmosphere to play something which you love. It's so serene, and definitely it's got a character to this club. So thank you, Mai, for giving me this opportunity to visit this club, and lastly to support this tournament. I know you are an avid sports follower, you were a sports person before. And I'm lucky to have my academy in your school. I know how passionate you are about not only cricket but all the other sports, and you encourage that to the fullest, and your passion is translated into encouraging various sports and various sports persons. So it's great that you are the principal sponsor of this tournament. But all I can say is let the best team win. And I don't want to be partial. I just hope that it's a good tournament. It's a lively tournament. And it's a tournament which will be a trendsetter for other golf clubs in Hyderabad and hopefully in India to follow and start their respective tournaments. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. And as Charu mentioned, I know a lot of you here in front of me, and I've always thanked all the people from the media fraternity for encouraging me right from my younger days, including the great Subramania Garu is here. So I hope that you will definitely spread the message of this tournament to the nook and corner of our city, and I'm sure a lot of people who love the sport will get to know about the updates as far as this tournament is concerned. Thank you very much.
Thank you, VVS Lakshman Garu. We definitely want to see you here, Andy. And so I heard from Dr. Mahi Garu that with 9 iron you hit 180 or 200 yards. So it won't be that difficult for you to be good at golf. So we look forward to seeing you more and through the tournament, because one of the way you analyze the cricket at least, right? I'm a fan of that. So I look forward to seeing you here and hear from you the analysis of our golf game. Thank you. So I would request our captain of HGA, Bhaskar Reddy Garu, for the vote of thanks.
Distinguished galaxy of dignitaries on the dais, including our President, Secretary and Treasurer, our prized, selected, distinguished owners of the teams, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. In one sentence, I would like to say that by conducting this event, we want to announce to the whole world, through the media friends here and by word of mouth, that Hyderabad Golf Club conducted Telangana Premier Golf League is all get set ready to go. We have been working for the last 2 months for this event, and with yesterday, all our teams, 16 teams and 192 players are ready, and we are giving them time to bond among themselves and get ready for the first day of start on September 12th. We want this message, happy message, to be shared with all the friends all over. That is the purpose of this function. And for this, I sincerely thank Dr. Mahi for being the principal sponsor for the event for the whole club and giving encouragement. And Mr. Charu Sharma for exclusively helping us, being the star commentator and attracting the attention of all the players at the auction and helping us to do it in time. But for his intervention, we would have gone till midnight. For that is his special talent. And of course, the presence of Mr. VVS Lakshan to this event adds a special stature. We are proud that you are here sharing your happy and quality moments with us, and to all of you and my friends, all the team owners, but for your presence, this function would not have gone to this level. Of course, my thanks to media friends for taking pains to be here and for your willingness to take the event forward through your channels and various media. With this, I would now say that there will be small question answer session or address the media event. After that, putting on the green by the dignitaries. After that, I invite all of you to the lunch inside, and also all my media friends and others present here are welcome to join us for lunch after these two events. Thank you very much for your patience and time given to all of us to make this function a grand success. Thank you again. Would you like to take the question from here or stand here? Yeah, media, please. Floor is open to you. Subramanian garu. Anybody else? Yeah, I think no one seems to be coming out today.
That's no problem. I'll come out with something.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
that is the way.
Okay. Question to everybody in the media. Can you name some of the players who have gone to the Olympics for India in this wonderful sport that everybody plays called basketball? Anybody? Who are the basketballers who've gone to the Olympics for India? No? No? Why? For a very good reason. Can anyone name the volleyball players who've gone to represent India at the Olympics? I mean, no disrespect. Can anyone? No? Why? Because of a very special reason. I can name 50 other sports where from India no one has gone to the Olympics. However, there are two golfers who are representing India at the Olympics at the highest level. So that is something I want to emphasize. It's not a chiller game. It's a really serious game that many people play very seriously. And Indians, luckily, are built in a manner where we can continue to do very well in golf. So I know Anirban didn't sort of win a medal or whatever, but he finished very well. And as you may know, Anirban Lahiri has a very strong Hyderabad connection. He's almost a Hyderabad boy. So it's great that he's representing India. No medal, but did rather well. And Udayan Mane, of course, also represented India. So golf is a serious ambition for a lot of youngsters to do well internationally. And I have no doubt, because you don't require to be 7'4" or you don't require to be 290 pounds or whatever. It's an average person's game. I have no doubt that many Indian youngsters will continue to do well in the world of golf. So I just thought I'd put that as a little pointer about the fact that golf may be played by very few people in our country per capita, maybe very few courses. It may have its own little entry barriers, but those who play really well. And I have no doubt that even at this club, there are some fantastic players. So it's just a question of getting more and more people playing and increasing our standards. So it was sort of a question, but more of an answer.
Charu garu, Udayan Mane actually played our Hyderabad like PGTI event called Golconda Masters, and he's actually the winners in 2019.
There you go. There you go.
We now invite you all for putting on the tree.
Oh, sure. Okay. अभी तो यार शुरू हुए थे हम.